Manufacturing companies need a digital marketing partner that can provide comprehensive services. At WebFX, we'll help you build out a full funnel digital marketing strategy that will help you find buyers where they're at in their journey. For one of the manufacturing clients that I work with, we shifted our strategy to be more focused on showing up in AI searches, along with investing more into paid search. By shifting our strategy, we've been able to create more brand awareness around the client. We've seen additional traffic coming in through AI search platforms, along with additional leads, qualified leads, and a decreased cost per lead from paid search. I'm Logan. I'm a lead internet marketing consultant here at WebFX. Today, we're going to talk through common pain points we're seeing in the manufacturing industry. I've been working at WebFX for the last 6 years, and I have over 1,400 hours of experience working with manufacturing clients. There are a few common pain points that we typically hear from manufacturing clients when we first start working with them. Many manufacturing clients struggle to attribute ROI to their marketing campaigns. At WebFX, we use our tool, Revenue Cloud FX, to help report ROI from marketing efforts. We use data collected in Revenue Cloud to help you make more informed decisions in your marketing efforts. When we start working with clients in the manufacturing industry, we typically integrate their CRM with Revenue Cloud FX, which helps us understand revenue that's being generated from leads coming off the website. By being able to track leads through the sales cycle, we're able to attribute ROI to each marketing channel. Another common pain point we hear often is that we're not seeing revenue generated from marketing efforts. Assuming tracking is set up properly, if we're not seeing revenue from marketing channels, WebFX would start by analyzing the data, understanding what's working well, what's not working well, and then making decisions based off what the data is telling us. WebFX's tools and expertise can help your sales team and your marketing team work cohesively together to ensure the leads that we're generating on the website are moving through your sales funnel. Another common pain point we hear from manufacturing clients is that the website traffic they are getting is not converting. One way we combat traffic that's not converting well is by creating content for every touch point and stakeholder that's on the website. We understand that you have niche audiences that you're trying to target, including things like engineers and procurement teams. We match all of our clients with industry writers that'll help you create technical content that can speak to each one of those specific audiences. WebFX will help build your company up as a strong brand that builds trust and credibility with users before they ever reach your sales team. Another common pain point we hear is that your website traffic is down. One of the common reasons is due to AI overviews in Google, as well as large language models. Historically, users would have to search for something and then enter into a website and read the content on the site to get their answer. Now they're able to find their answers directly within search results or on a large language model platform. So now the traffic that you would normally get is being cannibalized by AI platforms. Luckily, WebFX has Omni SEO. Omni SEO is our tool that helps you track searches within AI platforms. We can use that data to help show up for wherever your audience is searching, including AI overviews, ChatGPT, and Perplexity. If you're a manufacturing company that wants to see their marketing efforts grow in 2026, reach out to our team.